You should not publish your book unless it has these 3 golden components that every best-selling book has, and that's going to determine whether it's going to be an everlasting success or it's going to go right to the ground after going live. Hello, my name is Ben Sina. I am the CEO and founder of PremiumAuthors.com, and over the last 7 years, I've helped more than 600 authors write and publish their best-selling books. And in this video, I'm going to reveal to you these 3 golden components that those bestsellers, all of them, actually had. All right, so you might think that it has to do something with massive marketing push. Now, I want you to visualize something for a second. Imagine a nice round rock. What happens if you push it, and keep in mind, it's very round. Let's say the ground is flat, and then you want to push this rock. And it's not too big of a rock, right? Let's say just a solid, nice rock, And would you be able to push it? Probably yes, right? Now, let's imagine something else. Let's imagine a rock with edges, with pits. So it's a very angular rock, right? What would happen if you try to push it? Is it more difficult or less difficult to push? Let's say the ground is even, right? Now let's make it not an even ground. Let's make it elevated. Let's make it a hill, right? What about then? How much effort do you need to push it, right? This is how I want you to see this. This is how I want you to see this perspective when it comes to creating and crafting and marketing a best-selling book, right? So these are the 3 components that's going to help you to either have this nice, smooth rock that just needs a little bit of pushing and it rolls, or in a worst-case scenario, worse off, you're going to have this very edgy rock, which is really difficult to push no matter how much force you give her, right? So you must understand that it's not something like a big marketing campaign. You have a lot of money on marketing such a book. It's purely not going to work. So what are these 3 components? Component number 1, we are talking about the book title. There is nothing more important than a book title. It's the foundational piece that's going to make or break your book. Now, here's what you have to know about book titles. They have to be, number 1, niche specific. They have to contain some sort of a keyword that your ideal book buyer, there's a distinction between a book buyer and a reader, identify with, and also a title that makes your ideal buyer, your ideal customer curious. Not cringe, not confused, but curious. That's what your title must have, and this is the first golden component where you should spend the majority of your time. Component number 2, book cover. A stunning book cover. A cover that reflects the title that you created, the title that you crafted, the title that you researched, right? I call it the power combo, the power duo. Your book title, the most powerful book title that you can have, the one that grabs the attention of the right buyer, and then the cover that represents and reflects that title visually. So people can see it right away, whether that's on a bookshelf, whether it's on Amazon landing page, or on Amazon website, Barnes & Noble, wherever. It doesn't matter, right? So that is the second golden component where you must put most of your time and effort in. Now, the third golden component, reviews. But now listen to this. You don't need a lot of reviews to make your book work. What I learned over the last many years, more than 7 years at this point, actually more than 7 years, way more than 7 years, that I've been doing this and publishing books on Amazon and elsewhere and helping so many authors, you only need 25 to 100 reviews of very specific people in order to make your book work. And the incremental difference between having 0 reviews and then, let's say, 25 reviews versus 25 and, let's say, 300, it's night and day. It's not even close. I can't really remember the numbers, but when we did the research, we saw that the difference between having 0 or, let's say, 3, 4 reviews and then 25 reviews is like 450% when it comes to people trusting and buying a book, right? The percentage. And the difference between 25 and 400 is so minuscule, like 20% or 25%, whatever the number was, right? That's the difference, right? So really need a very specific set of reviews and making sure that people that people get the details on. And these are people who would be your ideal buyers. And of course, you want positive feedback. You don't want people criticizing your book, right? It's really important to have positive feedback from the beginning of the book. So these are your 3 golden components. People tend to think that writing the book is the most important part, or marketing and strategizing different things on how you're going to market this book. Yes, that's important. But going back to this rock example, or you have this edgy rock or nice smooth rock, and then you're going to push it. And no matter how much force you're going to give that rock, is going to roll, and you will not even need a lot of push. And it's even going to go downhill. And it's going to be evergreen, everlasting success, especially if you know how to nail these 3 golden components right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is again Ben Sina, and if you want to help, you have additional questions, feel free. You can book a conversation with me or my team using the link below. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.